Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss another proof. So see here, the yz plane divides ax1 y1 z1, bx2 y2 z2 in the ratio minus x1 is to x2, and zx plane divides in the ratio minus y1 is to y2, and xy plane minus z1 is to z2. So see the proof. So see here, for example, this is the line segment AB. A x1 comma y1 z1 and B x2 comma y2 comma z2. Okay, here the yz plane divides the line segment AB. So here, suppose this is the yz plane. Okay, so this is yz plane. So this plane divides the line segment AB. For example, this is point of intersection of plane and line represents a point. Suppose that is P. Now this P divides AB in the ratio some lambda is to 1. So means yz plane divides the line segment AB in the ratio some lambda is to 1. So see here the point of intersection of plane and line is a point. Okay, so clear that point is what? P only now. That point is P. So therefore let yz plane divides AB line segment in the ratio lambda is to 1. So we have to use internal division formula. Okay, so here that is P is equal to, so because of point of intersection of plane and line is what? Point. So the point is P is mx2, that is lambda x2 plus nx1, that is x1 by lambda plus 1. Similarly, lambda y2 plus y1 by lambda plus 1 plus lambda z2 plus z1 by lambda plus 1. Okay, so clearly on yz plane x coordinate is 0. On yz plane x coordinate of P is 0. So clear what is the x coordinate of P? That is lambda x2 plus x1 by lambda plus 1 is equals to 0. So clear this is what? Lambda x2 plus x1 is equals to 0, and this is lambda x2 is equal to minus x1. So therefore lambda is to 1 is equals to what? Minus x1 is to x2. So therefore required ratio is what? Minus x1 is to x2. So from this we can say that the yz plane divide the line segment AB in the ratio minus x1 is to x2. Okay, so see the next one, zx plane divide the line segment AB. So for example, this plane is zx plane. Okay, so see here clearly this zx plane divide the line segment AB in the ratio lambda is to 1. So again you will get, see here, P is equals to what you get? Lambda x2 plus x1 by lambda plus 1. Next lambda y2 plus y1 by lambda plus 1. Next lambda z2 plus z1 by lambda plus 1. But on zx plane y coordinate of P is 0. So what is that? Lambda y2 plus y1 by lambda plus 1 equals to 0. That is lambda y2 plus y1 equals to 0. So lambda y2 is equal to minus y1. So lambda is to 1 is equals to what? Minus y1 is to y2. So clearly from this we can say that the zx plane divide the line segment AB in the ratio minus y1:y2. See here, for example, this plane is xy plane. See here, for example, this is xy plane. This xy plane divides the line segment AB in the ratio λ:1. So again we'll get same formula. But on xy plane, z coordinate of P is 0. See here, on xy plane, z coordinate of P is 0. So what is that? Lambda z2 plus z1 is equals to 0. So clearly lambda z2 is equals to what? Minus z1. So lambda is to 1 is equals to what? Minus z1 is to z2. Therefore from this you can say that the xy plane divides the line segment AB in the ratio minus z1 is to z2. Okay. So for next session we will discuss more proofs.